Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with Shraddha Arya. As I promised you that I will came up with basic styling course. Here is the first video. Today we will learn the three-strand braid. Firstly, we have to divide the hair in three equal proportion, then continue the braiding. Watch full tutorial to learn the process. So let's begin. Here is a three-strand braid. Thank you so much for watching the video and subscribe our channel if our channel helping you to learn the new things. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing.